There goes Bruce. He can start by himself, stop by himself, and unfortunately he hates to wear that helmet, but I'm making him. I should try and take it off. Do you want me to race ya? Come back. Set, go. All right, can you stop? Do the skid mark. Woo! All right. Do it again.
I gotta go. Just rush. I need to race you.
Okay, ready? On your mark. Get set. Go.
Oopsie. That was close.
Set. Go. Awesome, Bruce. Set. Go.